Well, that was a nice grab. Wow. Get off me.
What's up, guys? Today I'm back in the Menominee River on the Marinette side. I'm heading out to the end of the Stevenson Island over here, since there's only about a 1 1/4 gates open up by the dam. A couple guys fishing here. I'm going to stay away from them. I know there's a lot of lures out this way. I've already cleaned up along here and the other side a couple times, but now I want to hit that point where there's less current.
And our first lure is right down here. 1.5 foot of water. Look at that. 4 ripping ramps right there. There we go. I see you hiding there. Oh, that ain't cool. Alright. Get off. Lots of bottles today, wow. Let's go that way. There's gonna be a lot more here. Oh, nicer grab. A lot of ripping wraps. Well, that was a nice grab. Wow. Get off me. A lot of people fish along the shore out here. There's some kind of waving in the rocks, and there's logs and everything. Get stuck out here, I come get them. That's cool. Nice pile heading up there. I'm gonna have to head back, swap my air out. Can't stop now. That's a neat looking Jack 7. There's a lure.
Round one complete. All right, I cleaned that one spot over there pretty good. I'm gonna come up along here, clean this along this wall.
That's a cool looking bottle. A really nice Menominee River brewing there. Right line. The old lucky tree stump. Oh, okay, dude. A blue Emerson bottle. Now that is a pretty blue Emerson. Well, my battery's about to die anytime soon. Got a lot of stuff today. Let's go back to the truck, see what we got. About an hour and 45-minute dive. Got a lot of stuff down there. I'm gonna get it out, line it up, show you what I got. Look at all those lures. Just got all the stuff laid out. You gotta see how many lures I got. It's a lot of lures right there. Need a lot of cleaning up, a lot of line remove. Most of these came from that corner way out there. Wow. Found some buttons today, a piece of a pipe, a couple marbles. I actually found 3, but one is back in the river somewhere. Found this little neat thing, whatever that is. Looks like another piece of a doll, porcelain doll, and missing some legs and the rest of the body. A couple balls, 2 more of these things here. Not sure if they're for plugging up milk jars or what. A couple of shoe soles, cans, a lot of broken glass here today. Coolest glass find of the day is this Emerson Drug Co. I love blue stuff. This neat little white thing here. Coca-Cola bottle from Iron Mountain, Michigan. Some green bottles. Here's a licensed in Hennis Brewing Company from Menominee, Michigan. Another licensed in Hennis there. Here's a Menominee River Brewing right there. Menominee River Brewing right here that has a top actually. I've seen these things before, but I have no idea what it was. It might be something for the DNR, but it was loose and just in the middle of the river. Found some metal here today. An old wheel. This stuff, I've been seeing a lot of it. Not sure what that is. And a bunch of plastic. All in all, it's a really good dive today. From this area all the way over there. Just got all the fishing line cut off all these lures that I recently got out of the river. Let's check them out. Altogether, there was 282 lures that were found in an hour and 45 minutes. There was 133 rip and wrap size 5, 6, and 7. Check that out. 37 built baits. 104 swivels, 6 leaders.
30 other lipless baits. I personally love the pink and purple sparkly ones with the glitter. 32 blade baits, 25 spoons, 5 jig and wraps, 4 spinners, 7 hair jigs. Do you think those would fit in my weave? I don't know. 38 jigs. That seems like the cheapest and smartest way to fish.
I was excited to get all those ripping wraps.
They look all shiny and brand new, you might say, right? Well, guess what just happened in Marinette, Wisconsin? The 2026 Spring Walleye Run. Hundreds, if not thousands of anglers come to this area and they fish their butts off.
And they lose a lot of lures.
A lot, as you can see. I just think they're pretty and sparkly, like your eyes.
I can even reflect the sun off into your face.
Is it the glistening or the glitter?